Hey YT, hey YT, today I just saved my best friend's Roblox boy 67765 main. Oh, I just got logged out because he changed the password. I'm not telling you guys the password. I don't want you to hack my best friend. He trusts me on his account because he's my best friend. I'm not a scammer. I don't hack accounts. Look, see, I'm not even going to settings. Oh, there I am, right there. 3030308. Well, I just saved my best friend's account. I hope I shout out to me. I'm gonna unfriend Annie Blair. He is such a faker. Don't be afraid. I'm Annie. I unfriended her, and I called her stupid in Discord. LOL. How funny did I say that to Annie Blair? It's a fake Annie Blair. I'll just keep Annie as a friend. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I saved my friend's account, and he's happy for that. He's finally back on Roblox. Welcome back on Roblox Boy 67765 main. Well,